Hey everyone, happy Monday. Today is June 26, 2023, and we are under a severe thunderstorm watch. So I want to do a quick video update and just for fun before and after the thunderstorm. So I'll be back either tomorrow or Wednesday just to see if how many we have left on the tree after the thunderstorm. But the rain earlier last week, I think we had about 5 that fell off the tree. In fact, I just picked up one just now that I found in the ground. But anyways, just wanted to do a quick update just so that you can see where we are right now. We still have a long way to go, but I'm happy with what I see right now. Hopefully we get to have some by the end of the season, because last year they were delicious, super crispy, sweet and juicy. I think this is one of the best persimmons I have had. But yeah, thanks for watching guys.